Hi everyone, just wanted to jump back in and show you the sign that I'm creating for a friend of mine that's opening a restaurant in Florence, South Carolina. And what you're seeing in time-lapse mode is me finishing up her sign. It is a wood sign, and it's got the restaurant name called Tootsie's. I have completed the sign for a client who's opening a restaurant here near me. The name of it is Tootsie's Everything Waffles, and it's going to be located in Quinby, South Carolina. So if you are in the area, be sure to check it out. I sent her picture over. In fact, she texted me right before I was doing this video and asked me the status, and it just so happens I just finished it up. So that was great timing. But I think overall I'm happy with how it looks. We're gonna have to clean it up a little bit, sand down, but overall it looks good. They're gonna be doing epoxy, um, so I'll let them handle that part. But remember, I'm always creatively working on something. Have a great day.